Open.
Who is that?
Dave.
It's Dave?
No.
No, David. Dave is Grandpa. That's David. What's your other brother's name?
William David.
William David? Oh, okay. Is he over there in the bassinet?
Uh-huh.
Hi, David. Hi, little D.
Hi, Ollie.
Is little D holding his head up? No, those don't come off, sweetie. Leave it. Leave it.
Oh, look! I found it!
Oh, really? Hi, Lindy. What is that?
Sunflower.
It's a sunflower? Oh.
Mommy?
I don't think it comes off.
Look. Pink.
What color is the sunflower?
Pink.
No, it's yellow.
Yellow. Pink.
Yellow.
Pink. Papa.
Backpack?
Papa.
Packback?
Papa. Go. Guess it, book.
That's your, no, that's your Diego book.
No,
That's you.
But guess it, book.
Nah, that's a good book. Hey, what color's your shirt?
Pink.
Pink? Yeah, everything's pink, huh? That's orange.